Your best photos might start with 5 seconds of doing nothing. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower, and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. This is a really simple exercise that can have a surprisingly big impact on your photography. It's called the pause. So next time you see a scene you want to photograph, don't shoot it straight away. Just wait. Count to 5. And here's the important part. In those 5 seconds, ask yourself a few questions, such as, what do I want this image to feel like? What's the actual story here? What's the light doing right now? And am I about to photograph the first moment or the best moment? That little pause changes everything, because the difference between a snapshot and a photograph is often just a few seconds of thought. And that's what makes all the difference. The camera simply records what's in front of you. That slight pause decides what matters. If you'd like to learn more about visualization and making more intentional photographs, check out episode 8 of my Ultimate Checklist series here, and let me know in the comments how you get on. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.